Easy, heart, easy.
So I'm just trying. Don't bump them. You're not gonna get people irritated.
Oh, Blackjack.
I know, baby. I know. You can go say hi. Rupee, hi, bud. My girl don't play. You know that.
Yeah.
He's just glad to see other dogs.
Hi, bud, boy. Hi, bud, boy. Hi.
And then he's gonna have an ultrasound of his stomach. They're gonna call me when because the ultrasound person only comes like every 4 weeks because they travel clinic to clinic. So as soon as they find out what day he's coming in, then they're gonna schedule him for an ultrasound for all that.
Stomach issues?
Yes.
Still having them?
Oh yes.
Harley. Roper.
So we'll find out about that. What the heck? There's still room on my credit card. Might as well just blast it.
Finish it credit.